What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a very interesting looking keyboard, and we've also got a wireless and a USB-C type numpad. It's by a company called VOAMOKO? VOAMOKO? I'm not really sure how you pronounce that. Now the keyboard itself is very interesting because it has a 4-inch touchscreen on it, which has a lot of different little features on it. You can control your music, your calculator. If I can open the box, it can actually act as a mouse, and it also acts as a numpad if you want to, but it has clock on it. Oh, they sent the black one, nice. Now it's got some weight to it. I believe it's made out of aluminum, or at least the back plate is, but there we go. There's that. And we have the very cool illustrated instructions. We got about a 5-foot long USB to USB Type-C cable. Very nice cable though. It feels very, very strong, very sturdy. I believe this is also aluminum on here. All right. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. It's clean looking. The keys are soft. They're pretty quiet. Oh, so satisfying. So you can see we've got our 4-inch touchscreen right here on the side. Again, this can be used as a mouse. On the other side, we've got our indicator lights. You've got a built-in speaker, and you have controls here. I believe this is to control what is on the touchscreen, I think. We'll find out. On the back, you've got your USB Type-C port. On the side, you've got a 3.5mm jack for headphones. You can see that the keys are definitely reminiscent of the MacBook keyboard in the spacing and the shape and size. All right, I got my laptop. Let's get the cable. Whoop. Okay, it's connected. Oh, came on, look at that. Check that out. All right, so when you hit one of the corresponding buttons, the screen changes. Right now I hit the mouse and you can see it's working pretty flawlessly actually. Right click, yep. You got your calculator up, 98 times 258 equals, boom. Working calculator, very nice. Numpad. Oh, cool, so there's your numpad. Let's see, browser. Boom, pulls up your browser. Very nice. Let's try music, see what happens. I don't know if I have any music on here. Pause, play, skip. You got volume control. Volume control's working. Oh yeah, this thing works great. Nice. Switch back to the mouse. Oh yeah. No, just stop, okay? It's like, I don't know why, it's the royalty-free music I've got on there, so whatever. Very cool. All right, let's check out the home. So you could go pull up my computer, bam. Hey, this actually works, and this is sweet. You can pull up your emails, you can do straight volume up and down from here. Slide it over. These are the customizable ones. Let's see, you can do search, calculator, software link, print screen, change the screen brightness from here. Now to customize, let's see, what can I do here? Oh, okay, please install default driver and icon sync before using the product. So it does give you the URL to download them for Windows 7 and 10. Oh, not only does it have a 1-year warranty, but if you visit and activate the warranty, you can extend it up to 2 years, which is great. Oh, look at that, they do have Mac OS. All right, so we got a software. Okay, well, I can highlight these little brackets, but nothing is happening. I'm not sure. Can I drag it? Oh, hey, wait a minute. Did it work? Oh, look at that. That's what, oh, that's so cool. So you can just drag the icon that you want over. Oh, okay, now it's getting exciting. Well, I put the icon sync icon on there, which is the app for this. There it is. So what happens if I select it? App is running. Oh, that's actually simple. I was sitting here thinking like, why can't I click anything? You just drag over the whatever icon to whatever program you want, you just drag it over there. Hey, this is not bad. I could see this coming in pretty handy. If you're a person that likes shortcuts, this could really come in really handy. So typing works really great on it. Yeah, I like this. Now let's check out the numpad. It's actually a USB 3.0 dual hub as well, and it's wireless, and it's USB Type-C. Now it is a 34 key, excuse me, and this also has a 1-year warranty. I'm guessing it's probably gonna be similar to the other one. Yep, extended 2-year warranty if you register it. Oh, that's so small. All right, so we got another pretty heavy duty. This one is not braided, but pretty heavy duty looking USB-C to USB-C cable, and a user manual. yeah, that's nice. Oh, it's a little bit different shade and color. This one is like a gray. Oh, FYI, you can get this in pink, black, and silver. And this, I think this one comes in 2 different colors. Oh, nice. Look at that. You see the keys, they're a little bit different than the keyboard, so it's definitely its own product for sure, but you can see that they're kind of raised up a little bit. But you got your arrows, and you also have the insert, delete, home, in, page up and down. Then you've got print, search, and then you can go straight to calculator from here. But what I like about it is that it is also a hub. You've got 2 extra USB 3s, then you've got your USB Type-C port for plugging it in and charging it. It's only a 100 milliamp hour battery, but just like any other kind of like type of controller, it probably will last you forever. I didn't get any actual details on how long it's supposed to last. It really just depends on how much you use it. Now it does have Bluetooth 3.0, so nothing too fancy, it doesn't need to be. Now on the side, we've got the connect button for the Bluetooth, we've got the on and off switch. So let's plug this thing in. Oh, I don't have a USB Type-C in this laptop, it's too old. Pooey. I'll be right back. I have no idea where my adapter went, so let's just turn it on and see if it has any power. Oh, it does. Oh, nice. Oh, okay, cool. All right, so it popped up. Let's connect it. Hurry. Ha, look at that. Yeah, forget you. I'm out. Lots of calculators. Let's try. It works. Arrow keys work. Yeah, it works really great. But there we go. I really like the keyboard. Right now on Amazon, it's $79.99, and there is no ratings for it because they just released it. They just came out with it. But I would definitely give this a 4-star for sure. I think it's great. It serves its purpose. It has pretty nice functionality, very simple software to use. As for the numpad, it does have a rating of 5-star from 12 ratings, and it's 50 bucks. Now, it does feel like it's made from quality material, and I like the 3.0 ports on it. I think that's great. I don't know about 50 bucks. It really depends. I mean, it is definitely a quality looking product. It's nice and slim, very slick. It's very functional. It was very simple to set up. Either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. It's got a nice little curve on it so it doesn't stick out. Excuse me, I'm recording. Anyway, usual, I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. I saved it. I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja.